you're not the same person that you used to be. And I would make up excuses, actually listening to myself and my body, and I am in a way better space and environment, and the fact that so this is the next day. We're going to the studio. Really excited to go to the studio. I'm sorry my lips are dry. I'm just packing up my bag right now with my camera. And yeah, we're gonna be heading over. So I'm gonna be going at 3 and I have to teach around like I think 3:30. So we have a lot of time to get ready to teach and also like get content that I want to get before practicing on what I'm going to teach. I'm going to keep it real with y'all. I'm very much like on the spot, on the dome. Like I'm a freestylist. So when it comes to like teaching classes, it's not really hard. Like I don't have to come up with a whole like agenda because I kind of just like come up with stuff on the spot. But the thing is, because I'm teaching for the last like I want to say like 2 years, I pretty much have an idea of like the routines that I teach and so on and so forth. So anyway, with that being said, I'm just gonna finish doing my thing, and then my mom's gonna come back with the car, and then we're going to head over to the studio. I'm gonna show you guys, this is the studio that I go to out in Florida. I'm so happy I found this studio. It's so beautiful, and it's honestly the closest studio to like the studio that I would go to out in California, in LA, which is Haven. This one has a different aesthetic and it's more like nature and very pretty and all that stuff and more, but y'all see when I'll get there. But anyway, let's go. Okay goddesses, so I just arrived to the studio. I got all this stuff in my hand. Okay. I've been listening to this mashup that I found on like TikTok, and I have been playing it like on repeat, so.
Baby, you don't spend no money on me, but you own me, baby. It is vintage on my body, yeah, it costs like 80 bills, cheap thrills, in a hills, hidden hills, get it.
Okay, y'all, so I just created some content, doing some floor work. I showed you guys. So I'm gonna chill for a second, probably post something on Instagram. If you do not follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is polegoddess94. With that being said, I'm just gonna chill for a little bit, and then I'm gonna kind of do a little bit more practicing and then kind of go over what I'm going to teach for class.
Never been an issue, ain't no problem, baby. I You Dior down and still stay with your mama, baby. It's a shame cause you can't see me when you want a baby. Chill in a veil, blowing bills, taking pills, faded. How I end up becoming your karma, baby. Didn't sign up for all of this drama, baby. Chasing you when I could make you commas, baby. Dollar bill, 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 dollar bills, dollar bill, dollar bill. Dollar bill, dollar bill, dollar bill.
One of the things that I kind of want to say to myself, but like also share this, like, you're not the same person that you used to be. Kind of just telling myself like this time around that I would make up excuses, actually listening to myself and my body, and I am in a way better space and environment. So what we're gonna do today is I'm going to like clean up my room because it is atrocious right now, as well as my bathroom, as well as like really just sleeping and resting my body. With that being said, that's what we're gonna be doing today, guys. Okay, so to show y'all like what my room is looking like right now, this is what my room, I'm being real with y'all. I just got shit on the floor. Obviously my bed is not made, and then we have a whole bunch of shit on the floor. I don't think it's that bad. It just looks like a clusterfuck. And then I obviously like my table where I did my nails, and it's just like, yeah. I'm gonna keep it real, y'all. Like, I don't know if I've posted this, but my computer is like swollen and I have to have a fan underneath it. I'm gonna actually show y'all real quick. So one, I want to sit here and say, if you're watching my videos, I really appreciate you and love you, because you don't know the fucking shit that I'm going through to make this fucking content. Okay, I have here is a fan for my laptop. I cannot disconnect my charger because it will shut off my computer. Like, my computer is so fucked up, y'all. And I don't know if I can like really show y'all. I'm gonna try. Swollen. I don't know if y'all can really see that, but my battery is swollen. Like I said, I just want to be like real authentic with you goddesses. Like, one of the things that I want to sit here and share is like, if you really fucking want something, you're going to do your damnedest to do it. Like, again, with my computer, like, I know my situation and whatnot, and it's like bad, but it could be worse. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's not that, it's at the end of the day, like, when my computer overheats, obviously I have this fan that helps it, but I have to literally put ice packs on my computer because it overheats and then I can't work. And I've been dealing with this for the last, like, I want to say 2 years, and that's why I'm pushing really hard to like change and get a new computer, a new laptop, so I can start making content like more quickly and efficiently. It is what it is, and I'm still making content and still doing my thing. But I was watching this video and it was talking about how Steve Lacy, like, when he started on making music, he used one of like, it was an iPhone, and it was like one of the oldest iPhones. So the point of me saying this is like, if you want something, you have everything that you need right now, no matter what it is. It may not be the best of the best, or if you're in a situation like me, my computer overheats when I work, like, and it's hard for me to like edit sometimes, or I have to go grab an ice pack for my computer. But at the end of the day, this is the truth. Like, if you really want something, nothing is going to stop you if you really want it. And going back to like Steve Lacy, he didn't have the best tech to make music, but he used what he had, and look at him now. You know what I'm saying? And that's all that fucking matters. The universe, God, gives you everything that you need in order to do what you need to do. It is up to you to work with what you got, so in the future you can do whatever it is that you want to do in life. Work and be so immersed in what you're doing to the point where when things start to happen like in the way that you desire, you don't even notice it. Oh, you just wake up in the reality that you want. It's to the point where it's like your lifestyle and it's your flow. You're just flowing into it. Visualize, and then I would go about my day. So anyway, yeah.
Just do it! So just do it! Just do it! Do it! Just do it!